Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. So today we are making this two-piece, a pencil skirt, a fitted one, and also it's going to have a crop top and it's going to have a baby neck, and the sleeve is a comb sleeve, very beautiful one. And today we are using this beautiful Duchess material, 2 yards of material. That's what we are using to make this beautiful style. So I will employ you to keep on watching this tutorial, sit back and enjoy this tutorial so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew this two-piece that we are making today. Very beautiful. You can see how beautiful it is on my body. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, this is the time for you to do that. All you need to do is for you to click the red button under my video to subscribe. Now you can share this tutorial with your friends, your family members. Please also ask them to also subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. And also you can comment so that you can know what you think about our tutorials. So guys, keep on watching this tutorial so that you can learn how to cut and sew this beautiful style on your own.
So this is our materials that we are using. The crop top is what we want to make first. So my length that I'm having there is 16. So that's my 16 that I'm marking. So this is how you lay your fabric and use it to cut. So my neck is 3 that I'm giving out. To the cleavage, like the depth of the neck is 3, and it is a round neck, and it will be baby neck. So this is how you cut it when making your own. So this is what I'm doing for the neck now. So to bring it down is 3. That is what I'm still marking, so that you will cut it the way you are seeing me doing. So this is how you will also go about it, so that the neck now. So coming to the shoulder now is what I want to mark. So my shoulder that I'm giving out there, so I'm just trying to arrange it so that it will not be shifting. So that is the shoulder is 8. That is the 8 that I'm marking now. So you will get it done there, so that the armhole, so you roll it, that is the shoulder. So what I'm marking there from the shoulder is 1 inch to slope it, so that the shoulder that I've sloped down there. So we come to our measurement now. That's our body measurement for the bust is 38, adding 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. So come to the waistline. That is my waistline. My waist is 28. So adding my sewing allowance. So that is 1.5 inch that I'm adding for my sewing allowance, and you connect it together. So first, that is the armhole that I'm giving out to get my curve. So you connect this. Remember, I did not put dot on it, so I just want it to go straight and be fine. I don't want any line on it. So this is how you also make it when doing your own. So to bring the neck of my bag is what I want to cut, because I will use it to cut the back neck. So what I marked there is that is the cleavage. The depth of the neck is 1.5 for the back. So that is what I've done there. So can you say I've cut it now? So this is how you make your own when doing your own. Please guys, always subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end, and share it to your friends please, so that they too can also learn from it. So this is how you go about it. So that's my curving, that's my armhole side. Remember, what I'm marking there or cutting is the front side that we are making first. It's a two-piece that we are making. Like the first one is what I'm cutting now. That is the top. So this is the back side of it now. I to have a zip. So that my zipper allowance. My zipper allowance is 1 inch that I'm adding there. So come to the next side. So that is the round sleeve for the back now. That is the round neck, please. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. So just watch every detail that I can see me doing, and do it on your own, so that you can make this beautiful crop top that we are making here, and it will have a coat sleeve, remember. So this is how it is now. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So watch this video to the end and do it on your own. Have your own fabric and use it to do your own, so that you can wear it out, because it's very beautiful style that we are making here. So this is how you do your own. So I want to open my neck now. That is the front neck now, so that this is how you also go about it. So remember, the neck that I'm giving at the front is 3. So I want it to be baby neck, that is it to come up the way you are seeing it on the video. So I've opened the side of the zip side. So let me just open the neck for the front side for you to see how it is now. So this is how it will be. So that is the neck side. I want to give it that fine cutting. So this is how it is now. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So can you see the neck now? It has come out. So that is how you also go and do your own. So we'll take it to the machine and do it. So this is how the sleeve is. So it's a small sleeve, that is the comb sleeve that we are making. So what I'm having there, that's my length. My length that I'm having there is 5. So this is how you go about it. So when cutting this sleeve now, you will cut it as up shoulder, the way you want to face up shoulder sleeve. So this is what I'm trying to do on it now. So just look every detail that you can see me doing. So what I have there now is 5 that I want to, that is the neck. The neck where it will start is 3 that I will mark. So that is my length. My length is 5. So what I'm marking there is 3.5. So that is my 3.5. So this is how you go about it when making your own. The round sleeve that I'm marking there is 12. That is 6. So this is how it will be. So you can see the way the difference of cutting this sleeve is up shoulder cutting that I'm using to cut it, because we will start to, if you want to fix it, you mark from your shoulder and give it out before fixing it. So it will now form the way to face up shoulder. So I hope you understand my explanation, and you will see how I will also fix it when you want to fix it on the body now for the top. So remember, it's the top that we are making and it's the sleeve that we are cutting now. So that is the sleeve now that we have cut out. So this is how it will be. You just go to the machine and hem it. Go to the machine and hem the downside and it will be ready. So this is how I want to fix it now. So I've joined the body, I've ironed it, even the neck. So I want to fix the shoulder and the sleeve now. So what I'm marking from my shoulder is 3. So I'm marking 3 to where I want to fix it. So that is where I'm pointing at for you. So from where I'm pointing at is where you start fixing the sleeve. So from the shoulder to where I'm pointing is 3 that I'm marking there now. So this is how it will be. So we have fixed it. So this is the skirt that we want to use and complete it, because it's a 2-piece top and skirt that we are making. So this is the how you make your own when doing your own. So what I'm pointing at is my band that I want to use. I'm using 3 to get my band, and you take the 3 away and get your length of your skirt. And my length of my skirt that I'm having there is 33. My actual skirt length is 32. So that is 1 inch for the hemline that I'm marking there. So from there now is what I want to mark. That is my hip measurement. Taking away from your tape rule, the band that you want to use is what I'm taking out from my tape rule, the way you are seeing me doing to get my hip line. So under my hip line, what I marked there is 9. From where I'm pointing that I'm marking is 9, taking away your band to complete the skirt. So that's what I've done there. So we'll start with our waist measurement. My waist measurement there is 28. Also, I'm not adding doubt on it. I want it to go smoothly because of the station of the fabric. So I want it to go smoothly, so I'm not adding it. So my hip measurement is 40. So that is my 40 there. That is 10. You mark it, and to add your sewing allowance, my sewing allowance that I'm marking for my waist is 1.5 inch. Coming to the hip line also for my sewing allowance is 1.5 inches that I'm adding there now. So we are done with that. That is the measurement now. So what you will do, just for us now to come to the hemline and also mark. So it's a pencil skirt that we are making. So since the hip is 40 that I marked there, so what I'm marking there for the down of the skirt now is 37. I want it to be pencil very well. So you just connect. So from my waist now, I'm connecting it to my hip line. So that is what we are seeing me doing. So always watch every detail that I'm doing so that you too can also do it. It's a pencil skirt, and it's a fine pencil skirt that we are making. After finishing it, you will see how it will look like, the outcome. So just watch every detail that you can see me doing here now and do it on your own. And please have your fabric so that you can do it and wear it out. So this eye you will sew and this eye you will cut. So we have done with the measurement that the front side of the skirt now. So what I will do now, just for me now to cut out, because the measurement is done. And no, if you want to cut the back, there's no need of doing any measurement. Just use the front to lay at the back side of it and you cut, because everything for the front measurement is done already. So this how you also go about it now. This how you cut your pencil skirt when making your pencil skirt. So this how it is now. So I'm cutting now. So after cutting this front, remember I will take it and cut to the back side of the skirt. So this how you go and do your own. So do it the way you are seeing me doing it. You can see the way we cut the crop top. You can see how it is now, how it came out looking good. So this how you go about it. It's a Duchess material that we are using, remember. So this how you also do your own when making your own. So I'm just showing you the length and the cutting. So this how it is now. So we are done with the front side of it now. So it's the back side that I will now fold and cut out. So I'm just trimming it well for the length so that it will be neat and it will be fine. So this how it is. So that is the back side of it now, using the front to lay on it now. So this, can you see what I'm doing there? And adding my zipper allowance. So my zipper allowance that I'm adding there also is 1.5. It's 1.5 that I'm taking for my zipper allowance through and down to the length. So this how you go about it. So I want to cut now because the measurement is already done, as I've said earlier, at the front piece that you just cut out now. So this how you cut your own, and after that you just take it to the machine and go and stitching it together and it will be ready. So I'm cutting the side of it now. So this how you also cut when making your own. So let me cut it out so that our skirt will be ready. So just take it to the machine and stitch together. Remember, I didn't add doubt on it, so don't be confused for that. So I just want it to go smoothly on the body and it will also come out very well because of the material. So I don't want it to have that line on it. So what I want to do there now, I want to curve the upper side, the front side of the skirt, because I don't want it to be folded. So this how you also make your own when doing your skirt. So always remember to do that. It's 1 inch that I just cut, and you curve it because of the front side. I don't want it to be folding. Can you remember what I just said now? I don't want it to be folding. That's why I'm doing that. So this how you also make your own when cutting your skirt. It's very important. So it's the back for the zipper side that I'm opening now. So I want to open the zipper side and go and stitch together, and before you know, our skirt will be ready. Please always watch my video to the end, please, and subscribe to my channel, please. So we're done with this cutting and we'll go and sew it out now. So after that is the band. So this is my band. Remember, my band width is 3. So what I'm adding there is 3.5 for the sewing allowance, so that will not shorten our band. So you will not do it exactly maybe no, what I'm doing is 3.5 for the sewing, so it will now return back to that our 3 that we want. So this is the waist, and what I have there will be enough for the skirt. So this is how it will go.
So our two-piece style is ready. Our crop top and our pencil skirt is ready. Hope you understood what we did. You can see the unique neck that we cut today, baby neck, very unique. I want you to watch that neckline that we just cut now. And the sleeve is comb sleeve. You saw how we're able to fix it together, the length that we use. So please watch it to the end so that you can learn how to make this unique style on your own, so that you can wear it out. We use the Duchess material to make this beautiful style, very unique style. So guys, keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can learn how to make and cut it on your own. So please If you have not subscribed to my channel, just pause now and click the red button under my video to subscribe now, guys, so you can share this tutorial with your friends. I'll see you guys on Friday. Thank you once more for watching.